You're talking about Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Write out super long captions. But don't write a long one full of nonsense just so there's something long to read. Like, write out a good paragraphs with a lot of information. So like if it's, again, going off of this top 5 Airbnbs. So if you did that, and let's say it's a video, or maybe it's a carousel with images showing each one, like here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in your caption, maybe take a second and have paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for each one of the places, and list your favorite thing from the place, or your least favorite thing, or maybe it's a review. That would be cool if you did like top 5 really cool pictures of each of the 5 Airbnbs. Then the caption was your individual review of each one of those Airbnbs, and that would be something people would read. Because like people read reviews, people want the information, the knowledge. You were there, you touched things, you saw it. What do you have to say about it? But if it was just nonsense, like I don't know, this morning I woke up and ate 2 strawberries and then went to the bathroom. Like no one cares about that, you know. But if you can create a really long caption that keeps people engaged, then yeah, extremely helpful on Instagram right now.